Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Oma Clicks Kitchen. And if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't make it your last, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join this family. And to my amazing and returning subscribers, thanks so much for always coming back to watch and support my videos. You guys are really amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to roast your groundnut or peanut. So let's get started. When you get your groundnut from the market, you have to first of all select these groundnuts to remove debris and wash it properly and spread it on a tray and allow that to dry, okay, before you have to go into the main process that I'm going to show you right now. So the main process, I'm going to go in with some salt and water. And guys, if you are doing this for a commercial purpose, you can make use of flavors. If you want to give this your peanuts a flavoring, you can make use of flavor of your choice, okay. I'm going to spray my peanuts on my tray and go in with the mixture of salt and water. And guys, I'll make sure that this mixture of salt and water covers this groundnut properly, because I really need this groundnut to taste so nice at end, okay. So I'm going to allow these groundnuts to stand for 5 minutes before I will go ahead to start roasting. And then for the roasting process, I'm going to roast these groundnuts on a medium heat using a dry pot or dry pan and your wooden spoon. I'm going to allow this groundnut to stand for 5 minutes before I will go ahead to roast this groundnut. So guys, I'm going to divide this groundnut into 3, as you can see on the screen, and I have to start roasting. So guys, I'm going to roast this groundnut on a medium heat like this for 15 minutes. And I will keep on stir frying for 15 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, I will take it out and allow these groundnuts to cool down for some time, okay. And I'll continue this process until I'm done with the remaining groundnuts. Remember, I divided this into 3 sections. So after 15 minutes, the groundnut is ready. So I will spread it out on a tray and allow this to cool down. Okay, so I'm going to store this in an airtight container to whensoever I wish to use it, I have to take out the back of this groundnut. And guys, groundnut is ready for whatever purpose you want to use it for. And if you are watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please darling, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye.